Hello everyone. Now we are in the den of Airtel office, which is best smartphone network in Bangladesh. Hello sir, good afternoon. Myself Piyaj Bhumik.
Thank you, Arman.
I'm Rajan.
We are from Institute University.
Okay.
We actually came to question you about the survey model. Sir, how are you?
I'm doing fine. What about you guys?
We are also fine, sir. Can you start the question?
Obviously.
Sir, as a telecommunication company, one of the most important sector is customer care. Are your customer is always satisfied with customer care service?
It absolutely depends. Basically, what we do is considering the majority of the customers, their needs, we design our customer care services. Based on those services, we right now are getting maximum of our customers are getting highly satisfied with that. But that is it. Maximum of our customers really get satisfied with our customer because we focus on quality of service and speed of delivery.
Sometimes service fails when you give it to your customer, and company try to recover it. When it recovers, customer become very delighted. Are your company deliver the service on the right time at first?
So basically the kind of services we are currently giving, it's always live. There is nothing related to time. But if you talk about the services activation, such as if you are talking about the internet services and all this we basically, once customer tries to start the service, he can get it immediately. So we have the minimum turnaround time in terms of activation in service or any other things. And if you are talking about the customer care services, we have our 24-hour call center service whereby customers can reach out to us anytime, whenever he is required, or he can come to our Airtel experience centers which are around the country right now. They can come to there and they can get the solution over there. So that is it.
Does service environment match your company strategy?
Yes, basically the service environment has to match the company strategy. If we don't have the proper environment, then we will not be able to deliver what we have planned for and what we expect to achieve. So this both needs to be aligned so that everything can be achieved together.
Does your employee can understand the specific needs of clients?
Yes, see, we are a company which basically driven by customer demand. Whatever we design, let it be service, product or the customer service, everything we do considering the need of our customers. So to do that, what we do research and we go for market visit. You will be happy to know that every year, every month, all of our employees most of the time goes to market in various places of the country to understand what actually what our customers actually need, and coming back to the company, and then we share within each other and we basically prepare a solution for our customers.
Okay. Are you charging? Are your charging methods are transparent and simple?
Absolutely. See, we have two kinds of charging modality. One is the pay-as-you-go, another one is the subscription-based or the pack-based, whatever you could say. In pay-as-you-go, you recharge some sort of amount. Whenever you use it, you will be charged accordingly. And when you are looking for good deals, like you need a bundle, let it be internet bundle or voice bundle or VAS bundle, you just subscribe to the pack and then use it. So these are very easy. Either you recharge it or you just dial a simple short code. You will be charged exact the amount we have informed you. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much for coming, and hopefully this will help you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
এত দূরে এসে বিরাট ঝামেলায় আছি।
গরম দেখলেই পানি ঢালতে মন চায় না? হাসিস কেন?
সরি। সারাদিন ফোন ফোন আর ফোন। কিন্তু আমি তো ফোনে
এই, ছোট লোক ফোন না বেটা মোটকা
পথে ঘাটে কাছে দূরে যেখানেই থাকুক তোমার বন্ধু সবাইকে কানেক্টেড রাখে এয়ারটেল। বন্ধু যেখানে নেটওয়ার্ক সেখানে।